Ever feel like your Outgrow dashboard is getting messy with too many projects? In this video, I'll show you how to organize your projects, duplicate them for faster iteration, and archive the ones you don't need, all so you can stay tidy and efficient inside Outgrow. When you're building multiple quizzes, calculators, or assessments, your dashboard can quickly get cluttered. Without structure, it's harder to find what you need, and you waste time recreating the same assets. What a good dashboard looks like is one where every project has a designated home. Outgrow provides you with simple yet powerful tools to organize, duplicate, and archive, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Step 1. Organize. Start by creating folders. Group projects by campaign, client, or use case. Give your projects clear names like Fitness ROI Calculator, Q4 Campaign, instead of generic titles. This makes everything easier to locate at a glance. Step 2. Duplicate. Instead of building from scratch every time, use the duplicate function. This lets you take a proven quiz, calculator, or assessment and clone it with one click. Then make quick edits for a new audience, campaign, or variation test. It's the fastest way to iterate without reinventing the wheel. Step 3. Archive. When projects are no longer in use, don't delete them, archive them. This keeps your active dashboard uncluttered while still preserving past work for reference or reuse later. By organizing, duplicating, and archiving, you'll keep your Outgrow dashboard lean and powerful. You'll spend less time searching and rebuilding and more time launching interactive content that drives results. Try these tips in your own dashboard today and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. If you found this helpful, check out our next video on creating folders and naming conventions that scale with your campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe for more Outgrow tips and tricks.